Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sew this amazing printed t-shirt. If you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this. And I've dropped the link to the cutting of this t-shirt. You can check the description section below, it will be there. So thanks for watching HBNR. So the first thing I'm going to do is to hem the sleeve. I've already weaved the selvage of the sleeve, so I'm going to fold in 1 inches I added for the hemming allowance. So I'm going to stitch it down like this. So if you don't know how to cut the t-shirt, you can check the description section below. I've dropped the link there, or you can check my channel. There are a lot of videos on how to cut t-shirts. So after the stitching, this is how it looks like. I really want to make this a single stitch, so if you like you can make it a double one. So after that I'm going to join the front and back together by placing the back facing up, and I'm going to place the front facing down, which means that the right part will face each other. So I'm going to join the shoulder like this. And after that I'm going to attach sleeve to the armhole. So I'll make sure that the center of the sleeve matches with the shoulder seam area. After that I'm going to join both sides together. So after joining both sides together, I'm going to attach neckband to the t-shirt. So my neck measurement is 18 inches and I deduct 2 inches from it, so which gives me 16 inches. So my neckband is going to be 16 inches and the height of the neckband is 2 inches. So I'm going to attach the neckband to the neck, but I'm going to make sure that the same area matches with each other like this. So I'm going to draw the neckband to matches with the neck, and I'm going to start stitching it. So I noticed that the edge of this fabric is folding itself, so I'm going to weave the selvage of the neckband like this. So that it won't give me any problem while attaching it to the neck. Make sure that the same seaming area align with each other. So I'm going to draw the neckband to matches with the neck like this. After finishing attaching the neckband to the neck, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to turn it to the right side. So after turning it to the right side, I still believe that I still need to make a top stitch and added back tape to the neck line. So here I'm going to do the back tape and I'm going to make a top stitch on the neck band. So you need to pay full attention to this area so that you won't get it wrong. So I'm going to turn the neckband like this, and starting from the shoulder seam area of the left side, I'm going to attach my back tape there. So this back tape is ready-made. You can also use the material to do that. So you need to pay full attention in order not to miss any segment there. So I'm going to fold the back tape in order to close the, and I'm not going to stop in that area. So I'll make sure that I top stitch, I sew the neckband round to reaches the starting point. So when it reaches the starting point, I'm going to stop. So after that, I'm going to turn it back and I'm going to mark the center back of the cloth. So I'm going to notch the center back of the cloth. After that, I'm going to stitch down the back tape and I'm going to attach a size tag at the center back of the cloth. So I'm going to attach the size tag there. After stitching down the back tape, I'm going to move on to the top stitching of the front part of the cloth. So I'm going to start from the shoulder seam area, here, and I'm going to make top stitch around the front part of the cloth until it reaches the shoulder seam area. After making the top stitch, this is how my neck looks like. As you can see that it looks perfect and accurate. So the next thing is to hem the button of the t-shirt. So after hemming it, we are done with the sewing of our t-shirt, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a print on the t-shirt. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to make this printing on it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.